to do a caterpillar like this. And you can even blow it. Step 1. Fold your piece of paper in the middle like this. Now fold it again, but to this crease. Now do the same on the other side. Now open it up and fold this down to the crease. Now unfold it. And now cut off the short and cut off the one that you folded down to there. So now you're left with this. Now this is not half of half, it's half of half of half. Now you wanna fold it to the bottom, then unfold it, and now cut it right at the crease. Now you're left with an even smaller piece. So this is the piece that we're going to use. Now fold this in half. Now unfold it. Now fold it down to the crease. And do the same to the other side. So it now should look like this. Right here, and it's like folded down there. Like that. And do the same to the other side. So it should be like that. Now fold it down like this. And cut off the corners like this. Now unfold everything. Make sure it's all folded up and it should look like this. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna draw on the one on the very front a little face. And now you're done with your own caterpillar. Get a straw and just blow on it. Now, I'm not really good at it, but maybe you're better at it. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. See you in the next one. Like if you enjoyed.